Yeah man, I fell in love with this ashtray. Super cool. Yeah man. Yeah man, get my horse out. Yo. Yeah man. Yeah man. Yeah, I pulled the anchor. Now drop the sails. Ready to go. Just gonna go say goodbye and thank these lovely people. Yeah man, they sheltered me here for 2 days from the storm. For fucking nice man, so cool. Hey, the wind is not so strong. Earlier in the morning was strong, but now it's calmed down. I really appreciate the help that you gave, the support that you gave, the shelter, yeah, and the hospitality. Thank you so much. Yes, yes, both of you, really cool. Thank you. Mwah.
Thank you.
Mwah. Thank you.
Have a good,
thank you, thank you.
good travel for you.
Yes, for you as well. Well, you're not traveling, but you know, do you know you have a place in Amsterdam? Yeah.
Ah, I would like to come to Amsterdam.
Yeah, he has my number. I have a small apartment, and you're welcome.
Well, but
I have a big heart. I have
one day we go in Amsterdam.
Yes, please.
Maybe we can see you.
Yes, you can come stay with me also if you want. Yes.
Voilà, en disant que si on allait à Amsterdam, je disais j'aimerais bien y aller.
C'est Amsterdam, oui.
Yes.
Have you bird in Amsterdam?
Yes,
Maybe Dominique birds.
Yeah.
Je crois qu'il a compris.
Yes, I do. Nice. Okay, so you have my number, yeah?
Yes.
Cool. Yeah. I also give your number to my friend with the woman I told you in Denmark.
Yeah.
Yeah, cool. She will go. She will write you then. Ciao. Yeah man, I saw the caravan first, then I came further. This is I saw the building. Yes man, oh I'm Java caravan دیدم بعد این ساختمون دیدم. I actually went a little bit ahead. I went to maybe 100 meters ahead and it was dark, rainy, windy. I was like fuck that shit man. I come and camp here. آجی بارون می اومد، باد می اومد، سرد بود، تاریک شده بود. بعد گفتم برمیگردم همینجا کمپ میکنم. So I did and then I knocked the door. Yeah man, good connection. Beautiful people. Drop the sails! I really wish I had sails on my bicycle. I thought of the concept, like to pull something out, to push something that comes in front, looks like an umbrella that pierces the wind that comes from the front and collect the wind that comes from the back. So yeah man, I should maybe draw it and have it out there. It's my invention. حاجی یه دونه بخوام چیز درست کنم، چتر درست کنم این وسط بزنم که بادو بگیره ما رو بکشه جلو، یا اینکه باد جلو رو بشکنه بشکافه. Aerodynamics. Wow. Yes man, I'm riding by the Mediterranean man. Nice. Welcome on board, ladies and gentlemen. Captain Alien is speaking. The wind is blowing at 60 kilometers per hour from my back, so it's nice. Yeah man, buckle up, roll a joint, sit back and relax. You are watching Visual Alien. And this is a cycle trip. Fucking crazy. Yeah man, Mediterranean. Stretching is very important to do every day. No excuses. What kind of refuge is this, man? The refuge is a closed, man. Oh man, look what has the wind done to this tree. این حاجی درخت باد با این درخت چیکار کرده. That's crazy. Wow. It's insane. It's really crazy. حاجی چی میکنه باد. Very cold now. Fuck, my ears, my hands, my nose. دماغ و گوش و دستام سرده. When I'm going, when the wind is behind me is okay, but if I stop and when the wind is from the other directions, it's cold man. حاجی تا موقعی باد از پشت میاد اوکیه، ولی تا وامیستم یا از زاویه دیگه ای باد میاد سردم میشه، یخ میکنم. I don't know how far I can go. Let's see. نمیدونم چقدر بتونم ادامه بدم. بریم ببینیم چی میشه. خدایا با امید خودت. Let's go. کوته تو میدی. کوسه تو میدی. Nice. Yeah, man, I wish I could have some of this wood on me all the time. So I could make fire when it's night. حاجی از این چوبه اگه همراه بود بعد نبوده، شبا میشد یه آتیشی روشن کرد. این سنگینه، منم جا ندارم. It's heavy and I don't have enough space. So get him! Get him! Wow. Dirt roads are not the best, man, with this condition that I have with my bicycle and all the weight that I'm carrying. جاده خاکی بهترین نیست دیگه. حالا ما رو دوباره آورد جاده خاکی. Oh man, I should take care of this shit. Wind is so strong, man. Yeah, man, something's wrong with the camera. I cannot charge it. Yeah, it keep going off. یه مشکلی برای باتری پیش اومده، دوربینم نمیدونم چشه، شارژ نمیشه. Wow, this is beautiful. Fucking nice. Yes, man. Yes, man. I camped somewhere around 7-ish, 7, something like this. And I couldn't record video because I couldn't charge the camera. So now it's around midnight and the camera is only 17% charged. So I guess something's wrong with the battery. Yeah, man, I was in the shop. Something attracted my attention. This bottle, fucking cool, man. The picture, I love the image. And I thought, and the lid. And I thought, yeah, man, if I'm a pirate captain, I need to have a drink. And the sound is amazing. Cheers. It's so nice, man. It's rum with caramel, 35%. Very smooth, very nice. I love it. Yeah, man. Yeah, man. آقا سلامتیتون. یه پیک زدیم ما قبلتر، 2 تا پیک هم الان زدیم. صفا باشه دیگه، عشق منی. دوربین خراب شده، باتریش کار نمیکنه، نمیدونم چشه. آقا سلام علیک. چی گرفتم حاجی. چند تا پیکم زدم جات خالی. این دوربین شارژ نمیشد، نتونستم فیلم بگیرم. عاشق صدای درشم. گوش بده. خیلی صدای خوبی داره. درش باز شده یه قلاب بزنیم دیگه. سلامتیتون. خیلی خوبه. عرق نیشکره با کارامل 35%. خب عزیزم، گود نایت.